upon your face fills my soul with gentle grace. Every smile you freely share brings a little heaven everywhere. With a heart that's kind and true, every dream begins with you. Like the calm upon the sea, your love sets my spirit free. Every whisper, every touch shows me love can mean so much. Even after stormy days, your light still leads me through the haze. You're the queen of my heart, my sweetest song, the place where my soul has always belonged. Your love is a fire that softly burns, a faithful flame that always returns. Hold me close beneath the stars above, wrap me in your endless love. You're the queen of my heart, it's true, every beat belongs to you. Soft guitar rhythms gently play as moonlight steals the night away. Warm bass lines move so deep and slow, like the rivers that forever flow. Melodic keys surround the air, pointing moments kind and rare. Though heartbreak left its mark before, you've opened every hidden door. With your laughter by my side, there's no reason left to hide. Hope awakens with the dawn, a love that keeps on carrying on. You're the queen of my heart, my sweetest song, the place where my soul has always belonged. Your love is a fire that softly burns, a faithful flame that always returns. Hold me close beneath the stars above, wrap me in your endless love. You're the queen of my heart, it's true, every beat belongs to you. Together we'll dance beneath the moon, singing our forever tune. Soulful harmonies fill the night, turning every shadow into light. Hand in hand we'll find our way, with love growing every day. No goodbye can change what's real, our hearts know exactly what they feel. You're the queen of my heart, always brightening all my nights and days. Every sunrise brings us near, replacing every doubt and fear. I'll treasure every kiss we share, with a love beyond compare. You're the queen of my heart for life, my greatest joy, my sweetest light. heart will always belong to you.
From the first time our eyes met, a spark was born I'll never forget. Like gentle waves upon the shore, you opened up my heart once more. Every sunrise calls your name, every sunset feels the same. No matter where this journey goes, our love continues to bloom and grow.
Hold my hand beneath the sky, where dreams are free to learn to fly. Every heartbeat softly says, love will guide us all our days.
Together as one,
We'll always stand, walking side by side, hand in hand. Every smile lights up the night, filling our souls with endless light. No fear can break what love has made. Our hearts will never fade. Together as one, forever true. My world begins and ends with you. Warm bass lines gently move the sea, keep in perfect harmony. Soft guitars whisper through the air, a melody beyond compare. Every kiss heals yesterday, washing every tear away. Though heartbreak visited before, love has opened every door. Your gentle voice comes to restore, keeping my spirit safe and warm. Every promise, every prayer reminds me that your heart is there. Together as one, we'll always stand, walking side by side, hand in hand. Every smile lights up the night, filling our souls with endless light. No fear can break what love has made. Our hearts will never fade. Together as one, forever true. My
replacing every doubt with cheer. Our forever starts today. Nothing can take this love away. Together as one, endlessly. You'll always be my melody. As the moon reflects the sea, your love is all I'll ever need. One soul, one dream, one destiny. Wherever you belong with me. Across the oceans, across the skies, I found forever in your eyes. Different roads, different names, yet our hearts still burn the same. Every smile becomes a guiding light, turning darkness into bright. Love has no borders, no divide, just your hand resting in mine. When the morning calls our names, nothing ever stays the same. Every dream begins with trust, built on hope and endless love. One heart, one love, forever strong. Together is where we belong. From every shore to every sea, your love is home inside of me. No distance can erase this flame. Every heartbeat speaks your name. One heart, one love, endlessly. You're my sweetest melody. Soft guitar echoes through the air, carrying a love so rare. Warm bass lines gently sway, keeping all our fears away. Moonlight dances on the tide, with your spirit by my side. Though heartbreak once knocked at our door, your love has healed me evermore. Every whisper, every kiss fills my soul with peaceful bliss. Hope is blooming every day as our love lights up the way. One heart, one love, forever strong. Together is where we belong. From every shore to every sea, your love is home inside of me. No distance can erase this flame. Every heartbeat speaks your name. One heart, one love, endlessly. You're my sweetest melody. Let the lovers rock rhythm flow, like the rivers gently roll. Soulful harmonies lift us high, beneath the endless island sky. Every promise that we keep runs forever, true and deep. Hand in hand we'll always stand, writing dreams upon the sand. One heart, one love, shining bright, holding on through every night. Every sunrise, every prayer reminds me that your love is there. Together we'll face every storm, keeping each gentle word you softly say turns the darkest clouds to brighter days. Like the tide that kisses golden sand, you reach my soul with just your hand. No matter where this life may lead, your faithful heart is all I need. When the stars begin to glow, there's one truth I'll always know. Love is stronger than the passing year, braver than our doubts and fears. Only your love can calm this soul, mending every heart that's less than whole. Every heartbeat sings your name, like a never-ending gentle flame. Hold me close, don't drift away. Be my sunrise every day. Only your love forever stays, lighting every step along my way. Soft guitar rhythms fill the night, wrapping us in warm moonlight. The hearted keys begin to sway as our heart stands far away. Warm bass lines carry every vow, bringing heaven to the here and now. Every harmony we gently sing makes tomorrow feel like spring. Even if the rain should fall, love will answer every call. With your smile beside my own, I've already found my home. Only your love can calm this soul, mending every heart that's less than whole. Every heartbeat sings your name, like a never-ending gentle flame. Hold me close, don't drift away. Be my sunrise, very hey. Only your love forever stays, lighting every step along my way. Let the island breeze remind us why true love never says goodbye. Soulful voices rise in harmony, flowing like the endless sea. Every kiss rewrites the past, building memories made to last. Side by side through joy and pain, find sunshine after rain. Only your love can set me free. You're the sweetest melody to me. Every dream begins with your embrace. Every dawn reveals your grace. We'll keep dancing hand in hand, riding forever across the sand. Only your love will always be the rhythm living inside of me. When the moon fades into dawn's first light, our hearts will still be shining bright. With every breath and every prayer, I'll find your endless love right there. The sunset glows upon your face, a quiet smile, a warm embrace. Every heartbeat softly calls your name, though tomorrow may not stay the same. Like gentle waves upon the shore, you make me believe in love once more. Every memory shines so bright, getting me through the darkest night. Hold me close, don't let go. There's a place our hearts both know, where every dream begins anew, in every moment shared with you. Love will find our way somehow, here forever, here and out. Through every storm and every tide, I'll always keep you by my side. Your tender kiss, your gentle smile, makes every lonely road worthwhile. Love will find our way again, beyond the sunshine and the rain. Soft guitars whisper through the air, carrying a love so rare. Warm basslines move our souls, healing hearts and making us whole. Melodies wrapped around the night, filling every star with light. Though we've known both joy and tears, our love grows stronger through the years. Every promise softly stays, every promise softly slays, lighting up our future days. Hope is dancing in your sunrise. Love is born, a brand new day, a brighter dawn. Love will find our way tonight, shining like the moon so bright. Hand in hand we'll always stand, building dreams upon the sand. No goodbye can steal what's true. My forever starts with you. Love will find our way, you'll see. You're the sweetest part of me. As the stars light up the sea, your love becomes my melody. With every breath and every prayer, I'll find your heart forever there. When the evening paints the sky in gold, your gentle touch is all I long to hold. Every breeze carries your sweet embrace, bringing sunshine to my quiet place. Like the rhythm of the rolling sea, your love keeps flowing endlessly. Even when the miles pull us apart, your melody still lives inside my heart. Every whispered word becomes a prayer, a promise that we'll always share. Through every season, near or far, you're the brightest of my stars. Your love is my soul, my sweetest refrain, dancing through the sunshine and the rain. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time, with a love so pure, so deeply divine. I'll hold you close through every dawn, a faithful flame that carries on. Your love is my song, forever true. Every note begins and ends with you. Soft guitars are swaying with the breeze, warm bass lines drift beneath the trees. Melodies wrap around our souls, making every broken moment whole. Your smile shines brighter than the moon, turning lonely nights into sweet afternoons. Every harmony we softly sing gives my heart another reason to dream. Though heartbreak sometimes leaves its trace, love still finds its saving grace. Hope is blooming like the morning light, guiding us through every night. Your love is my song, my sweetest refrain, dancing through the sunshine and the rain. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time, with a love so pure, so deeply divine. I'll hold you close through every dawn, a faithful flame that carries on. Your love is my song, forever true. Every note begins and ends with you. Let the island rhythm gently play, washing every fear away. Soulful voices rise as one, like the warmth of the morning Your love is my song, my destiny, a timeless reggae symphony. When the final notes drift out to sea, your heart will always sing with me. Together forever, come what may, our love will never fade away. Skies are fading into blue. Every evening brings me back to you. The waves still whisper stories of our love, carried gently by the stars above. Your laughter lingers in the evening air, like a gentle promise always there. Though time has tried to pull apart our dreams, love remains much stronger than it seems. Take my hand and let the world stand still. Two hearts together, climbing every hill. Every beat reminds me what is true. Home has always been inside of you. One more sunset with you by my side, where our hearts can dance with the tide. Every kiss feels warm and new, like the morning covered in fresh dew. If tomorrow brings another chance, we'll ride forever in this sweet romance. One more sunset, one more embrace, love forever shining on your face. Soft guitar echoes through the night, melting every shadow into light. Your tender voice is calm upon the breeze, bringing restless hearts back to peace. Even when the road is long and wide, your faithful love becomes my guide. Together we'll weather every storm, keeping each other's spirits safe and warm. The moonlight paints our hopes in silver skies, reflecting endless love within your eyes. Every prayer becomes a gentle song, reminding us where we belong. One more sunset with you by my side, where our hearts can dance with the tide. Every kiss feels warm and new, like the morning covered in
hearts belong. We'll hold each other through the night until the dawn brings golden light. With every sunrise, love renews. Every road keeps leading back to you. One more sunset, endlessly. You'll always be the melody in me. As the tide meets the quiet shore, I'll choose your love forevermore. Wrapped in reggae's gentle sway, our hearts will never drift away.
The evening breeze whispers your name, soft as the fire, warm as the flame. Your smile lingers like the morning dew. Every sunrise reminds me of you. Though we've walked through tears before, love keeps knocking at my door. With every heartbeat coming true, my soul keeps finding its way to you. Hold me close, don't let hope fade. Our sweetest memories never fade away. Like gentle waves upon the sea, your love keeps washing over me. Under the moon we shine so bright, holding on through the longest night. Your love surrounds me like a melody, a timeless song in perfect harmony. No matter where tomorrow goes, our faithful hearts will always know. Under the moon we shine as one, forever together until the morning comes. Soft guitars dance beneath the stars, healing yesterday's hidden scars. Every promise lives inside your eyes, brighter than the endless skies. If the rain should fill our days, we'll still find love in gentle ways. Your embrace becomes my peaceful shore, where broken dreams are whole once more. Every heartbeat finds its place, wrapped forever in your grace. Love is stronger than goodbye, like birds returning through the sky. Under the moon we shine so bright, holding on through the longest night. Your love surrounds me like a melody, a timeless song in perfect harmony. No matter where makes us whole. Soulful harmonies fill the air, a love so precious, kind and rare. With every step and every kiss, we build a lifetime filled with bliss. Nothing can steal what love has grown. Together we'll always find our home. Under the moon we softly sway, turning heartbreak into brighter days. Every dream begins with your embrace. Every sunrise lights your face. I'll keep believing, come what may. True love always finds its way. Under the moon we'll always be, bound forever in sweet harmony. When the stars fade into dawn's first light, I'll still be holding you so tight. Our love will let go endlessly, a reggae melody for eternity. Morning sunshine paints your smiling face. Every heartbeat finds its perfect place. Like the ocean meets the golden shore, I fall in love with you a little more. Through every season, through every mile, you fill my world with your gentle smile. Even when the skies are dressed in gray, your love brings the light into my day. Every promise lives inside our song, holding us together safe and strong. No matter where tomorrow leads, your love is everything I need. Forever starts with you tonight, holding on beneath the moonlit sky. Your tender touch can calm the storm, keeping my lonely heart so warm. Every dream begins within your eyes, where hope and endless passion rise. Forever starts with you and me, bound together for eternity. The rhythm sways beneath the stars above, wrapped inside the sweetest kind of love. Your gentle voice is music to my soul, making every broken moment whole. If tears should ever find your eyes, I'll be the rainbow after every cry. Our story shines through every dawn, a timeless flame that carries on. Forever starts with you tonight, holding on beneath the moonlit sky. Your tender touch can calm the storm, keeping my lonely heart so warm. Every dream begins within your eyes, where hope and endless passion rise. Forever starts with you and me, bound together for eternity. When the world becomes too loud to hear, your embrace dissolves my every fear. Like a steady rhythm on the sea, your love is home and harmony. Soul to soul will always stand, walking life with hand in hand. No distance, no sorrow can undo the endless life I found anew. Forever starts with every kiss, every quiet moment wrapped in bliss. Our hearts will dance through joy and pain, like gentle showers bringing rain. With every sunrise, love renews. Every road keeps leading back to you. Forever starts with you alone, the sweetest love I ever known. As the reggae rhythm softly plays, I love you through our endless days. One heart from team, forever true. My life finds its dedication in you. Moonlight settles on the ocean tide. Your gentle smile still walks by my side. Though the seasons carried us apart, your sweetest melody lives inside my heart. Every promise floats upon the breeze, whispering your name through the trees. Love may wander down another road, but memories lighten every load.
If tomorrow finds you far away, I'll keep believing love can find its way.
love still grows, my heart remains, blooming through the joy and through the rain. Every beat still calls your name so slow, like the river only love can know. If fate should lead you back someday, you'll find my soul has never drifted away, where love still grows, forever true. Every dream begins and ends with you. Loud guitars are dancing with the breeze, carrying our story through the trees. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain, healing every scar and every pain. Even when the silence fills the night, I can see your love within the light. Distance never steals what hearts have known. True affection always finds its home. Every prayer rises with the dawn, keeping our connection strong and warm. Love remembers every tender kiss, every heartbeat wrapped in endless bliss, where love still grows, my heart remains, blooming through the joy and through the rain. Every beat still calls your name so slow, like the river only love can know. If fate should lead you back someday, you'll find my soul has never drifted away, where love still grows, forever true. Every dream begins and ends with you. Hold my hand across the changing years, we'll turn every sorrow into tears of joy, like reggae rhythms on a summer night. Our love keeps burning bright, soul to soul we'll never be alone. No matter where this life has blown, your love is the rhythm my heart believes, the sweetest song the soul receives, where love still grows, our spirits rise, shining brighter than the morning skies, hand in hand through all we overcome, two hearts forever beating as one. No goodbye can change what's deep inside. Love will always be our faithful guide, where love still grows eternally. You'll always be the melody in you. The moon keeps dancing on the sea, love lives on in every memory. keep singing our endless love.